Well guys, I just got a little package from the west coast of Canada, British Columbia. A good buddy of mine over there sent me a little care package. If you can remember, I ordered these guys a long time ago. And they ended up being fakes. Yeah, 100% fakes. That one showed up about a couple of weeks ago. I never bothered to do anything with them. I know they're garbage, so I don't see any point in even trying to use them. So, anyway, so we done that. He sent me this package, and let's see. Let's get him up here. So there you go. Me buddy 111-222-3333111. Interesting username. Anyway, he seen me using these and had never got anywhere with them. So he decided to send me a little package, a little care package. This one here, of some equipment that a couple of transistors that he had, a couple of used ones. And what he sent me was a few transistors used. 1969, 1306, and 1307, I believe. Down there. And they got it right here. 1306, 1307, 1969. He took these other pieces of equipment that he had, and he sent them my way. So there we go. So now I got a choice of either getting my Cobra 139 XLR up and running, or I can put these in my Cobra 138. So anyways, you guys be the judge of that. Do you want the transistors installed in the Cobra 138, or do you want these installed in the Cobra 139? So let me know. I'd like to hear what you think. Your decision. Tell you what, you sent these to me. You tell me what you want these implanted in. I'll either implant them in the Cobra 139, or I'll implant them in the Cobra 138, or I can implant them in the Yaesu 620B 6-meter radio that I also want to get fixed. Anyways, thanks very much for the little care package and for the transistors. I'm sure these guys will definitely come in handy, no doubt. And I guess we'll say this video brought to you by RF Parts Company. Yep. Anyways, thanks for the transistors. I'll definitely put them to use. And again, you tell me what you want these implanted in. Here, the Cobra 138, the Cobra 139, or the Yaesu 620B 6-meter all mode. Anyways, all the best. Thanks for watching, and thank you very much for sending these transistors. Awesome. You are the man, buddy. You are the man. Thanks.